Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict what's next for Onds stock. Onds stock has been making headlines lately, and for good reason. With its recent performance and market trends, many investors and market watchers are wondering what's next for this stock. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the world of Onds stock and try to make sense of it all. Onds stock is facing some significant challenges right now. One of the main concerns is market volatility. The stock market has been unpredictable, and Onds stock has been no exception. It's been on a roller coaster ride, and investors are getting whiplash. Another challenge facing Onds stock is competition. The industry is getting more crowded by the day, and Onds needs to find a way to stand out from the pack. Recent financial reports have also raised some concerns. The numbers haven't been as strong as investors had hoped, and that's led to some doubt about the company's future. And finally, there's the issue of regulatory uncertainty. With changing laws and regulations, Onds stock is facing an uncertain future. Onds stock is also dealing with some internal challenges. The company's been trying to pivot its business model, but it's not been easy. There have been some growing pains, and investors are getting impatient. The management team has been under pressure to perform, and that's led to some tough decisions. And then there's the issue of employee morale. With all the changes happening, employees are starting to get a little anxious about their job security. Despite all these challenges, Onds stock has some underlying strengths. The company's got a strong brand, and its products are still in high demand. The industry is still growing, and Onds is well positioned to take advantage of that growth. And the management team has a proven track record of navigating tough times. So what's really influencing Onds stock? Industry trends are definitely playing a role. The shift towards sustainability is driving demand for Onds products, and the company's been trying to capitalize on that trend. Company performance metrics are also a key factor. Onds revenue growth has been slowing down, but the company's still got a healthy profit margin. And then there's expert analysis. Many analysts are bullish on Onds stock, citing its strong fundamentals and growth potential. But what's the most compelling insight about Onds stock's future? In my opinion, it's the upcoming earnings report. If Onds can deliver a strong quarter, that could be the catalyst the stock needs to bounce back. On the other hand, if the report is disappointing, that could lead to a further decline in the stock price. There's also the issue of competition. If Onds can't find a way to differentiate itself from its competitors, that could spell trouble for the company. And then there's the macroeconomic environment. If the economy takes a downturn, that could affect Onds stock negatively. So what's the outlook for Onds stock? In my opinion, it's still a buy, but with caution. The company's got some strong underlying fundamentals, and the industry trends are in its favor. But there are some significant risks to consider, and investors need to be aware of those risks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has given you some insight into what's next for Onds stock. What are your thoughts on Onds stock? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more financial insights, be sure to check out my other videos.